An insurmountable wall. That's what enthusiasts, experienced, and beginners alike view crypto today. But did you know that taking that first step and gaining a foothold in the ever-expanding world of crypto is not as daunting as it seems? The feeling of doubting how to start or how to stay relevant in crypto can sure be overwhelming at times. But don't worry, we've walked that shoe, felt what you feel, and overcame it all together. Join us today as we unveil the subtle secrets behind the curtains that block your path toward the treasure trove that is crypto. Cryptocurrency can be likened to a new frontier town during the gold rush era, brimming with opportunities yet filled with uncertainties. For those just stepping foot into this town, grasping the landscape is crucial to navigating safely and striking gold. Today, we'll peel back the layers of this bustling digital boomtown, showing you why learning about cryptocurrency isn't just for tech savants or financial gurus, but for anyone eager to participate in shaping the future of commerce. By demystifying this digital realm, we'll empower you with the knowledge needed to explore confidently and make informed decisions. Basics of crypto. So, you've probably heard a bit about cryptocurrency. Maybe you even know it's digital money. But there's a lot more to it that's worth understanding if you really want to get involved. Cryptocurrency isn't just virtual cash, it's secured by something called cryptography, which is what makes it really tough to fake. This is super important because, unlike regular money, everything happens digitally. The whole system revolves around blockchain technology, which keeps a secure log of all transactions. Think of it as a digital ledger that's not just about Bitcoin and Ethereum, but a whole universe of digital currencies. This ledger is transparent yet secure, ensuring that every transaction is recorded and verified across multiple computers. Understanding this foundation helps clarify why cryptocurrencies can be trusted despite their digital nature. Knowing this also sets you up to lay down a solid groundwork for your crypto adventure and help you build up confidence and make smarter decisions. However, no matter how promising this and other success stories you might have heard out there, it is important to keep in mind that crypto, just like other financial institutions, isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Volatility, dubious entities, and ever-changing regulations are just some of the things you should look out for. Wondering how to steer clear of the hurdles and pitfalls in the crypto world? Stick around as we dive into the essential strategies to safeguard yourself in this digital financial landscape. As you venture deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, you'll need to know how to securely and effectively manage your investments. Let's dive into how you can select the right exchange and set up your digital wallet. Choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Think of picking an exchange sort of like choosing a bank. You want somewhere safe, easy to use, and where you won't lose your shirt in fees. Take your time to compare a few, maybe even try out their interfaces in demo mode to see which feels right for you. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you feel comfortable and secure with your digital investments. Start by choosing a cryptocurrency exchange you are most comfortable with. You'll want to consider factors like security, user interface, fees, and the variety of cryptocurrencies offered. Two popular exchanges are Coinbase and Binance, known for their user-friendly platforms and robust security measures. Coinbase is particularly renowned for its ease of use, making it ideal for beginners who may need more guidance and a simpler interface. On the other hand, Binance offers a wider range of cryptocurrencies and more advanced trading options, which can be attractive to users looking to expand their trading strategies as they gain more experience. What should you consider when setting up the right security measures for these platforms? We'll delve into that shortly, breaking down what you need to know to make the most secure choices in your crypto journey. But first, let's get into your most essential tool for your journey: digital wallets. Once you've chosen an exchange, the next step is to set up a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies safely. There's a lot of options out there, and there are even more intuitive ones being developed at this very instant. But let's stick with the basics. They are, after all, the main ones being used by the majority of investors and enthusiasts alike. Here are two of the best wallet options for you to use and start your crypto journey with. Hardware wallets. Imagine a hardware wallet like a small portable safe. A popular choice is the Ledger Nano X, which looks a bit like a USB thumb drive. You plug it into your computer just when you need to manage your cryptocurrencies or make transactions. Because it's not connected to the internet all the time, it's very secure, kind of like keeping your valuables in a safe that only you can open with a key. These devices support multiple cryptocurrencies, allowing you to manage a diverse portfolio from one secure location. Additionally, hardware wallets are built with advanced security protocols that protect your assets even when connected to a compromised computer, making them the gold standard for crypto security. Software wallets. Then there are software wallets, which are more like convenient apps on your phone or programs on your computer. MetaMask is a common one that works as a browser extension, meaning you can use it right in your web browser. It's super handy for quickly accessing your crypto, making trades, or even using crypto-based apps. Because software wallets are connected to the internet, they're not as secure as hardware wallets, but they are protected with passwords and other security features to keep your crypto safe while still being easy to use. Imagine your digital wallet as your personal crypto safe. You wouldn't leave your cash just lying around, right? So, for peace of mind, investing in a good wallet is crucial, especially if you're dealing with significant amounts. If you're just starting and experimenting with smaller amounts, a software wallet might be sufficient. Just make sure you keep your passwords and backup phrases in a safe place. Think of it as the key to your safe. Wondering what's the best way to start trading and making your first cryptocurrency purchase? Let's get into that next. Buying and selling cryptocurrency. Here's a tip when starting out. Don't go all in on your first buy. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before jumping in. Start with smaller amounts to see how the market moves. This approach not only minimizes your risk, but also gives you a chance to understand the rhythm of the market without the stress of large stakes. Keep an eye on how different news or events influence prices and use those insights to inform your buys and sells. It's crucial to stay informed, as the crypto market can be quite sensitive to global events and shifts in investor sentiment. It's like learning to ride the waves. Sometimes you've got to paddle a bit to catch the right one. By starting small and staying observant, you'll build your confidence and skills gradually. Now that you've got a grasp on setting up your wallet and making trades, how are you feeling about jumping into the world of cryptocurrency? Excited? Nervous? Or maybe a bit of both? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if there's a particular topic you want us to cover next. Security and best practices. Securing your cryptocurrency holdings is absolutely crucial. It's like protecting your treasure in the digital world. Just like you wouldn't use a simple lock for your treasure chest, you shouldn't use easy-to-guess passwords for your crypto accounts. Always opt for strong, unique passwords and throw in two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security wherever it's available. This is like having a digital guard standing watch, ensuring only you have access. When it comes to storing and managing your digital assets, think of it as choosing the right safe for your valuables. Stick to reputable wallets, those that have stood the test of time and are widely trusted in the crypto community. Be extra cautious about where and how you access your crypto. It's best to manage your assets on a secure network and avoid using public Wi-Fi, which can be like leaving your house door open with the key in the lock. Avoiding common scams and pitfalls is also crucial. The crypto world, much like the Wild West, is full of vagabonds and shady dealers waiting to pounce on your unguarded assets. Always verify the legitimacy of any offer or transaction before diving in. If something sounds too good to be true, like unbelievable returns on an investment, it probably is. Always double check sources and never share your private keys or passwords. These are the keys to your digital kingdom, and they should never be handed over to strangers. By taking these precautions, you can help ensure that your digital gold remains safe and sound under your watch. Remember, a little caution goes a long way in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Staying on top. Staying informed is your key to success in the fast evolving crypto space. Make it a habit to check trusted news sources regularly and get involved in crypto communities. This will not only deepen your understanding, but also keep you ahead of the curve with market trends. The world of cryptocurrency is always changing. There's a wealth of knowledge to discover and new strategies to uncover. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay informed with all the latest updates to keep your adventure blazing. Stay curious and vigilant, and together, let's navigate the exciting world of crypto.